Hello, my name is Erin Hawkins, and I'm a Community Program Coordinator with Olympic Community of Health. Today I'm going to share with you the 2025 Partner Network Analysis Report. Olympic Community of Health brings together health-serving partners from a variety of sectors and tribes across Clallam, Jefferson, and Kitsap counties, and 7 sovereign tribal nations to tackle health issues no single sector or tribe can tackle alone. Together, we're working to foster a region of healthy people and thriving communities. In 2022, Olympic Community of Health conducted the first partner network analysis to better understand the collaborative network of partners, evaluate network relationships, quantify collaboration, and identify key opportunities to expand the partner network. The results from that analysis are linked here. In 2025, Olympic Community of Health repeated the partner network analysis to capture growth and reevaluate opportunities for improved partnership and relationships. The next 3 slides provide an overview of the partner network. In 2022, 41 partners participated in the network analysis, and in 2025, 45 partners participated. There's a small overlap of 20 partners that participated both in 2022 and in 2025. In 2022, there were 529 relationships represented, and in 2025, this grew to 1,959 relationships. We see that there are more network relationships in 2025 compared to 2022. However, those relationships appear less developed. Diving deeper into partner network relationships, this slide shows partner relationships within each county and between each county represented on the map here. As you can see, the most relationships were illustrated within Clallam County with 380 relationships, and the most relationship between counties were between Clallam and Jefferson counties with 408 relationships. Looking at this network overview means a few things. First, the overall network of partners has expanded from 2022 to 2025. Second, the partnership network is changing. OCH has made intentional efforts to expand the partner network with different funding opportunities available over the years to engage more partners. This was a recommendation that came from the 2022 Partner Network Analysis. We also know and see that our collaborative work is changing. Some partners may no longer see themselves in OCH's priorities, while others are new and coming to the table for the first time or in new ways. Lastly, the partner network analysis incentive methodology changed from 2022 to 2025. In 2022, this was largely contract-led, while in 2025 was fully incentive-based. These 2 slides demonstrate average perceptions of trust and value among partners. We know that perceptions of trust and value are critical to building a collaborative network. The 2 graphs here show partner scores of trust by year on the left and value by year on the right. Scores over 3 are considered most positive. So why measure trust and value? Trust in network relationships facilitates effective information exchange and decision-making, and it reduces competition among members. Understanding perceived value of network relationships is important in leveraging different ways members can contribute to the network. As you saw on the previous slide, there were favorable shifts from 2022 to 2025 in both trust and value scores. In 2022, fostering a greater sense of value was identified as an opportunity, and that has improved. The slide provides an overview of the levels of engagement, the frequency in which partners interact with each other on OCH-related projects. The more engaged a partner is, the more they interact. The graph on the right shows levels of engagement in 2022 on the top and 2025 on the bottom. As you can see, the highs and lows of level of engagement, Glean Resources, and Champion decreased from 2022 to 2025. In 2025, we see that more partners are participating and collaborating than in 2022. Partner contributions. partners ranked their most important contributions to improving health across the Olympic region. The top 3 contributions were consistent between 2022 and 2025. The top 3 most important contributions in 2025 include building community connections, improving systems, policies, and practices in collaboration with another organization or tribe, and lastly, improving systems, policies, and practices within your organization or tribe. Shared activities. Partners reported participating in these top 3 shared activities in the partner network in 2025. Exchange general information and resources, send and receive referrals, and joint programming and services delivery. The top 2 activities were consistent both in 2022 and in 2025. This slide provides an overview of the partner network successes. Partners were asked, how successful has the network of partners been at facilitating or achieving the following activities and outcomes? The 2022 results are represented on the graph on the left, and the 2025 results are represented on the graph on the right. We see that there are significant favorable shifts in network successes as illustrated by the light and dark green bars for each activity and outcome. In 2025, the top 3 successes were increased cross-partner collaboration, increased knowledge sharing, and developing innovations to shared solutions. This is largely consistent with the 2022 successes, and most shifted even more favorably towards successful or very successful rankings. In 2025, we see that there are areas of opportunity in changing policies, laws, or regulations, decreased duplication of effort, and improved outcomes for target populations. These network successes are also largely consistent with those identified in the 2022 Partner Network Analysis. Future priorities. Partners ranked the most important activities and outcomes that the network of partners should prioritize in the future. In 2025, the top ranked priorities were increased cross-partner collaboration, improved services for target populations, and decreased duplication of effort. The future priorities have slightly shifted from 2022 to 2025. Increased cross-partner collaboration and improved services for target populations were consistently included in the top 3 future priorities identified both in the 2022 and 2025 Partner Network Analysis. Now that we've completed the 2025 Partner Network Analysis, we're going to share with you how we're taking these findings and moving them to action and next steps. Overall, we can see that there was progress made from the 2022 Partner Network Analysis next steps, and that report in summary is linked here. We're building momentum in both the size of the network as well as in trust and value. And in looking at our progress, we see that there's success in the following. In the 2022 findings that were used to inform partner engagement. OCH created targeted convenings, engaged with new partners, and supported cohesive messaging about the values of partners and collaboration. We're also seeing a greater sense of value across the partner network. OCH now regularly shares partner involvement with the board and broader network to increase awareness of contributions and decrease duplication. Populations of emphasis are specified in OCH's strategic plan, and those were embedded in the Connecting to Data tool on OCH's website. And we're seeing an opportunity to increase community awareness of the work OCH does and leverage our core partners to serve as ambassadors to engage with new partners and communities. These findings solidify OCH's value proposition, stronger together, fostering a region of healthy people and thriving communities. It also solidifies OCH's roles as a seed planter, community connector, and catalyst for change. And our partners continue to communicate the importance of collaboration. Steps. With a strong foundation of partnership, trust, perceived value, and collaboration, OCH is well positioned to continue to expand and enhance the partner network. There is opportunity to usher more engaged partners into higher levels of engagement, leverage core partners to serve as ambassadors, to engage with new partners still missing from the partner network, as well as to re-engage partners who may not see themselves in our changing work. Throughout 2024 and 2025, OCH prioritized establishing Olympic Connect, the community care hub for the Olympic region. And in 2026, we will begin to expand our portfolio of projects as well as start the planning process for our next strategic plan, and these findings will serve as key input. So, 5 key next steps emerge. The first is to leverage the core partners to engage with new partners still missing from the partner network. Next, to re-engage partners that are less involved than in 2022, to usher more partners into champion levels of engagement, embed these findings into the Connecting to Data tool and uplifting that tool with partners, and lastly, to increase community awareness of OCH's work and why collaboration matters. We'd like to conclude the 2025 Partner Network Analysis by expressing our gratitude. We are stronger together. Partnerships and collaboration are the heart of our collective work towards a region of healthy people and thriving communities. OCH expresses our deep gratitude to all the partners who helped measure the impact of regional collaboration by participating in the 2025 Partner Network Analysis. This work is not possible without our valued partners. Thank you. If you have questions about the Partner Network Analysis, please email och@olympicch.org.